Busy days, deadlines,
Tigas?
and endless
Ay, sorry po.
activities.
Sige,
Everybody
okay lang.
knows the struggle.
Huwag ka mahulog, please.
When everything's not going your way, ayaw pang makipag-cooperate
Uy.
ng ipit ng buhok mo.
Bilis bumigay.
Nakakainis, di ba? But, what if your hair accessory could do more than just hold your hair? Babidi Bapido Boo! Say hello to Shellwear, an excellent hair clamp that's trendy, sustainable, and guilt-free. Crafted with recycled eggshells and natural materials, it's gentle on your hair, kind to the planet, and 100% plastic-free. And here's the magical twist. Accessory na nga, fertilizer pa. Why settle with plastic when you can have this? Switch to Shellwear, your fairy-proof hair solution. An eco-friendly clamp that cares for you and the earth.